Hello everyone, the depths of the winter is nearly with us. The winter solstice is coming as the sun turns around from its stillness and returns back for the summer. This year's winter solstice, there's some amazing new additions. We will be doing the Doubt opening ceremony with a family constellation practice for love, peace and sovereignty in the world. Liam McGowan will be holding that. We'll be going back to our indoor venue and we'll be doing ecstatic dance, having cups of tea and chats, and then we'll be doing a meditation, an interactive alchemical meditation with Tridakana from the spiritual community Damanhur in Italy. So she's flying in to join us. Then we will be having dinner, supper, a celebration, and then Sinead Hart will be doing a group drumming session, so we'll all be drumming and chiming and whistle blowing and all that crack. And then Lisa McLaughlin and Brian Cunning will be soothing us into our sleep time with a beautiful sound healing, and we will be preparing for our solstice ritual outside Newgrange. So we'll be waking up at 6 in the morning, doing a body practice, waking up the energies in the body, and doing our ritual for Newgrange and going to Newgrange and holding space with everybody there for the rebirth of the sun at Newgrange. So it's going to be amazing. The tickets are going fast, so please, if you're coming, book now to avoid disappointment, because they are limited. It's a limited size of venue. Wish we could have a bigger venue, but at the moment we don't. So if you wish to come, please book as soon as you can, and we will see you there in just under 3 weeks.